Guys, it does not take much to soft wash. $50 pump, Amazon, 3 gallons per minute pump. I run it off a DeWalt battery. I have a inline fuse wrapped in electrical tape to keep it nice and compact. Suction hose, and then I put a garden hose here. I have a 10-foot Flexzilla hose and little multi nozzle, the cheapest gun you could get, Gilmer gun I guess people call it. And I'm probably all into this, less than $100. And a lot of this you could probably get for free or you have it on hand already. I'm also working on putting together a 55-gallon drum. Up there I have another unit that I put together, which is 1.5 gallons per minute. And I'll be swapping the two. But with this setup here, has literally made me a couple $1,000. Same pump, just flush it out after every use.